everyone, I'm Andy, your sensei for this lesson. Today we're going to work on a couple of grooves. One has eighth notes on the hi-hat with an open hi-hat, and the other groove is played on the ride, but it's a pattern on the ride. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's have some fun. Okay, let's look at groove number one. Groove number one is a combination of eighth notes and 16th notes. We're doing some 16th note snare work, and we have an open hi-hat. An H with the circle above it is for open hi-hat. It says that down here in the notes. What's different about groove one is we're playing a snare on one, and usually we play a kick drum on one. But this time we're going to play a snare there with an open hi-hat instead. Here's how we count this out. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and. All right, here's how we count groove number one. 1 and 2 and 3 and here we go. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and. All right. Let's play groove one. We're going to play 16 measures of groove number one, first at 70 beats per minute, then 80, and then we're going to jump all the way to 95 beats per minute, but you can handle it. All right, let's play groove one at 70 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and 3, and here we go. All right, now let's play groove number one at 80 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and 3, and here we go. All right, now we're going to jump up to 95 beats per minute and play groove one. 1 and 2 and 3, and here we go. Hey everybody, if you want to see the rest of this lesson, or for more lessons, please visit the KungFuKickdrum.vhx.tv. If you subscribe there, you're not just supporting me, you're also supporting a future generation of musicians that can change the world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time in the dojo.